The cabbage soup diet is primarily based on a low-calorie soup made from cabbage, onions, tomatoes, peppers, and spices. This soup is consumed in unlimited quantities throughout the 7-day diet period, forming the core of the dietary plan. Specific fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins are added on certain days to supplement the cabbage soup. The cabbage soup diet results in short-term weight loss primarily due to its significant calorie deficit. The high water content of cabbage soup aids in flushing out excess water, thereby reducing bloating. The structured plan of the cabbage soup diet minimizes snacking and overall calorie consumption. Day 1 of the diet involves cabbage soup plus fruits, excluding bananas, promoting a feeling of lightness and reduced bloating. Days 2-7 incorporate cabbage soup, non-starchy vegetables, lean protein, brown rice, and skim milk to provide fiber, energy, and potassium. The 7-day diet concludes with a feeling of lightness, increased energy, reduced appetite, and improved stamina.